How to manage navigation menu on Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the simple steps that you can do to manage your navigation bar or the navigation menu or the header navigation into the Hostinger website that you own. So it is going to be very simple and very easy. We are going basically here to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, we're going to see the dashboard, the H panel, or the specific control panel of Hostinger. Now we're going to head over the website of ours, click on websites lists, and then we're going to see basically everything. Now we're going to head over the premium web hosting and make sure that we are going to check for the specific logo of Hostinger Website Builder. This is the official logo. You can have here some of the other logos. In your case, if you do not know about them, like this one, we have the WordPress and we have the empty PHP slash HTML website. We're going to choose this. This is the logo. This is the main logo. We're going to click on edit website and wait for the navigation or the website to load up. Once we have the website editor loading up or loaded, as you can see, we're going to see some of the elements like the header, the sections or the body, and also or finally the footer. Now, our subject for today is going to be the header. Why? Because it is going to contain all of the elements for the navigation in here. Now, how we can modify this specific area? So you can either edit the whole header about the specific navigation in here. You can see that we can reorganize the specific items for the navigation in here. You can manage it by putting it, for example, to the left side, to the right side, to the extreme left, and also under the logo like this. And also, we can modify the specific elements that we can add in here in between the navigation, or you can go ahead and modify the style of the header and it is going to affect this specific area. Now, aside from that, we're going to head over the pages and navigation or from here, or you can go ahead and click on edit navigation. Now you're going to see all of the links or the items that has been situated into the navigation in here. You're going to select one of the items and you can customize it, for example, by heading over the settings of it. And it is going to be dependent on the nature of the specific item or the type, the navigation or the settings of it. For example, this is going to be a link. So we can edit the link, rename it, duplicate it, or hide it from the navigation. And of course, we can delete it. For the pages, you can have here a large setting for the menu, like making a page as a home page, modifying the page URL, renaming it, duplicating it, having it hidden in the navigation, move it to a drop down or password navigating or restricted page. Also, you can have the SEO settings or navigation for it, social image, and create a QR code for that specific page. Now, how we can organize the specific navigation in here? You can either click on the drag it to move here. So, for example, you are going to hover the mouse on the 6 vertical buttons and move one of the items under the other like that. So you're going to change the position on it like this, or I'm going to put it in here, or you can go ahead and put it as a drop down menu. So for drop down menu, it is going to be possible to create a drop down menu about this by clicking or dragging a item, for example, on the specific page of it or the specific page that you want to create a drop down menu for it. And then you are going to hover or add or drag a little bit the item to the right side a little bit. And so you're going to see the drop here moving to the right side. So we have here created a home drop down menu. So we have a page or a submenu for the home. Now you can go ahead and remove it by dragging it out of the drop down. That was the first customization that you can do, or the second one after we have set up the position. Now, how we can add or hide a specific item or a page from the navigation. For example, I want to hide the specific about page from the navigation. I'm going to click on settings And then we're going to click on hide from navigation, or you can go ahead and drag and move it and scroll a little bit until you're going to see hidden from navigation. You can add it in here. So this is the section that will be hidden from the navigation, and all the links or all the pages are going to be in here. Basically, you're going to see that the page is going to be hidden from there. You can add a page, a drop down, or a link from here. So if you want to add a page, you are going to click on the plus, add page, and select, for example, a generated page or AI generated one, an empty page, blog page, and all type of pages that we have. So I'm going to test out and add a generated or generate a page. So I'm going to put here, for example, a template, or you can go ahead and have the e-commerce features with the business plan. So I'm not going to have this. I'm going to add, for example, a bio page. So we are going to generate this page. So basically, you're going to have here the text or a little of a resume of about the page. So it is going to create that specific page. You can go ahead and type in, for example, we are going to have here ingredient, and receipts or recipes, for example, for Italian food page, for example, and we're going to have it right there. Also, this is going to be a business plan feature, so I'm going to ignore that. We're going to have here an online store page added just like that, and we'll have it here product list or products. So we can modify the page URL, also hide the page from the main navigation, select or modify the social image, and also we can add a password to it if we want to make it protected. Here we have the product page, and as you can see, it is added right there. So we have here all the products in here. So the second thing that we can add is going to have here a drop down as like this. So we have here the new drop down. As you can see, we can drag and drop the pages in here, or put the pages under it just like that. And then we are going to click on the gear icon, move to drop down. And as you can see, we have created the drop down. You can rename the drop down, put it in here, rename it, for example, only drop down, put it like this, and here we have it. So you can, aside from this, you can add a link like this, add the name for the link to, for example, a page, website address, section, email address, phone number, file download, and etc. Then you can have it right there, and you're going to get the link set like this with this logo. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.